QUICKMOD, I'm going to show you how we're going to upgrade to a storage compartment on the Maverick. If you have a XL or possibly an XLT that you don't have the option package where you get these compartments, you can order these and you can do them for both sides. They're actually really big. There's a lot of room down inside the fenders. So you have that, but not only that part, you can pull this tray out and go all the way down into there. And there's actually a couple little holes at the bottom. If you do get water in there, it'll drain out. Really easy to do, so I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Alright, first off we want to remove the tie down here. And we are going to use a T30. We're going to use a 10mm. Okay, you'll see the one that we removed here only has 4 holes, and there are 5 holes here that are threaded. Just insert our new bin, get our 10mm. Always do those by hand to start them out. You don't want to cross thread anything. And I still need to go and get some of those, get 2 more of those ordered in, so that way I have enough to fill all of the holes. Now you just put on your tie down, get that started. Switch over your bit. And you're finished. Storage compartment done. So you can keep your tie downs in there, jump starter, anything like that. And see if I can get you the part numbers for the bolts here. And I'll also put the part number to the cubbies on there in the description, so check below, and the tool sizes that you'll need and any other info I have. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. Check out the other videos. I have some info on the tailgate liner, on also putting in the tie downs for the rear bed, for the only bed. And here are my tie downs that I installed. So these do come with flange, for lack of better words there, that goes around the bottom. I don't need to use that on this since I have the liner in here. And also it's just not made to work with the liner like that. This actual tie down here has the correct width from bolt to bolt to line up with the factory holes. And the factory holes on an XL are not tapped, so you have to get a tap and die kit, and it's super easy though. You know, the only thing is to just be careful when you're starting the tap is that you're going straight. And with a new tap that is sharp, you're going to go into this no problem. It took me literally 20 minutes, use a little bit of WD-40 for some lubricant, spray that on there, and literally 20 minutes I was probably done with both sides. And I had to do it in a rush in the morning, otherwise I would have filmed it. So I'll put a link to these in there also, and all the rest of the info for the tools and everything like I said. Any questions, just post them up and let me know. Cheers.